Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna test a new product that I just bought from Amazon, an ozone generator. And I'm in a vacant property that has a really unique odor, and it's been in here the whole time we've had this property, and this property's probably been vacant over a year, so it's set up a long time, but this odor is not your typical odor, and it's really a disgusting, aggravating odor. And I'm not sure exactly where it's coming from or what it is, but we're gonna test this ozone generator today, and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up in this single bedroom here, and we're gonna test it out and see how it works. Okay, boo-boo, watch out, girl. Let's set it up for 20 minutes and see what happens. All right, come on, boo, get out. So we're gonna close her up, and I put a timer on it for 20 minutes because that thing has a timer, and we'll see what happens. So I'm back at the house, and I actually moved the ozone machine from the bedroom yesterday to the living room open kitchen area because it finished its little cycle. It did smell different. Did it fix the problem? I'm not sure. I'm really curious to see how it is today. I actually left it running overnight. So it's been running about almost 20 hours. So not a full 24 hours, but about 20 hours. And I just got back, and I'm gonna run in, turn it off, open all the doors and windows, and air the property out, and we're gonna see if it made a difference. Well, it definitely has the ozone smell. Just like everyone says that I read online, basically that after a rainstorm, you know, kind of smell. It's pretty strong ozone smell. You definitely don't smell any other odors in the house. You don't smell any negative odors at all right now. Just the fresh ozone smell. I guess the real test is gonna be coming back in a couple of days. I guess it'll be about a week. We'll come back and check it out and see. Hopefully it works. Okay, stay tuned for the next part where we're gonna find out in a few days, did this work or are the smells back? So I just got back to the house. It's been 8 days since we were last here when we ran the machine for almost 24 hours. The smells seem to be pretty much gone, but we're gonna walk in right now and we're gonna see how it smells 8 days later. You can definitely smell a much better aroma and smell in here for sure. For $40 or for $39, I'm on board. I definitely would recommend this ozone machine. Now, if it was several $100s, I don't know if I would buy one, but for 40 bucks to get rid of these smells that was in this house from it just being vacant and sitting up, you know, stagnant for so long. But I don't smell any bad odors that were in this house before. And it's been 8 days, so it's been over a full week. I'm definitely on board with this product and recommend it 100%. For $40, you can't go wrong. I mean, if you're an investor and you've got multiple properties, this is a great old thing to have. And especially if you're a real estate agent and you're doing any kind of deals at all, you could definitely use this probably in a ton of houses that you work with. So anyway, the link's below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. As always, thanks. Appreciate it.